god, I'm scared. Very scary. Do it. Okay, fine. Just don't touch me, alright? Yes. Go, Ananya. For the chance. Go, Ananya. I'm gonna do the wall climbing, rock climbing, the obstacle course, and anything else that I want to do. And also that high climbing rope. We saw in the height thing. I'm gonna do that also.
Wall climbing. Climbing.
You're doing wall climbing. What is climbing mean? Margarita pizza.
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 I'm having a salad.
We're not getting a salad or a vegetarian pizza. We are in Times Square doing an indoor wall climbing and obstacle course. We're going to do a 1 hour session, which is 100 dirhams.
3 minutes until we go to our rock climbing. So until then we will eat. We are eating margarita pizza and then nothing else.
You're pointing it down. You're pointing it down. Rishka, how are your thoughts for the wall climbing? What does that mean? Rishka, what does that even mean?
Yummy cheesy.
Come on, let's go. We are late.
I'm not believing that.
Time ka. This one, see the space, you need to pass this one on the plate on the middle. Like this. See? Put in the plate like that, right?
Okay.
I'm at your back, okay? See the black one?
Yeah.
You need to pass sideways, side like this.
Like
Okay?
this.
Alright? 1 minute out after her. Wait. Pass properly. Slowly. Wait, wait for her. Once your friend in the school. Wait. I'm going up, Yeah, come inside.
I'm scared.
Very scary.
Go Ananya. For the chair. Go Ananya.
Big step, big step. Yes. Hand. Hand. Very good.
Wait.
Big step up. And hand. Big hand.
Wait.
Right. Hand. Other hand. Good. Move down.
Oh my god. Oh, skip.
Inhale. Go. Go.
God. God. Oh God. I can't, it's too shaking.
Step. Hand. Other hand. Okay, step.
God. Oh. Oh.
Let's hold this, quick. Now this one.
Oh God.
Walking on.
Man, this is scary.
I'm gonna do it again. It's super fun.
Yeah, this kind of creeped out the GoPro might fall.
Hoy, pumasok na tayo.
Look up. It feels scary the first time we do the wall climbing, but after just doing it for 4 or more times more, it felt easier.
How many times you went up?
4, 5.
4, 5. 4 or 5?
Yeah. Having the GoPro and doing it's so difficult because the helmet is moving in left and right for the GoPro's weight. I can do it quicker without the GoPro. I can do that obstacle in 10 minutes.
Very good.
It was very easy because I went there a lot of times. I went there like 20 times. I had fun.
I felt very happy because
I love wall climbing. It was very
Were you scared when you saw how high it was?
easy. Then I tried, but it was very easy. Then I did it so many times.